Welcome to clickmeproject.com. This is our product title for the efficient kNN classification with the different numbers of nearest neighbors. Okay, so this is our abstract. So here, first of all, we are discussing about the k nearest neighbor with the efficient performance for given data set. So here, the k nearest neighbor method is a popular classification method in the data mining. So the k nearest neighbor, the kNN method is one of the algorithms for the machine learning algorithms or the supervised learning methods. So the k nearest neighbor is the popular classification method in data mining and statistics because of a simple implementation and a significant classification performance. So here we are analyzing for previous solutions assign different k values for different test samples by the cross validation method but are usually time consuming. We propose a K-tree method to learn different optimal K values for different test or new samples by involving a training stage in the kNN classification. So finally, the random subspace ensemble framework based on the HBKNN hybrid K nearest neighbor classification for the RS HBKNN classifier is the proposed to perform classification on the datasets with the noisy attributes in the high dimensional space. Okay, so this is the data flow diagram for the k and k nearest neighbor process. So first one is the start. So next one is the load data set. That means the load training data set. So next one is the get query vector. So first of all, here we are processing the different number of different set of attribute based. The data set will be loaded into the database. So after the dataset will be retrieve data from the queries. So get query vector informations to be processed. So next after the query vector based we will finding the Euclidean distance. So find Euclidean distance process we will analyzing. So next after the finding Euclidean distance informations to be transferring for the relative informations to be find. So after finding the hyperplan distance, so here we are the different calculations based we will finding the hyperplan distance. So next finding the fuzzy members for the k nearest neighbor classification. So here the what are the fuzzy classification process or what are the process to be involved in the fuzzy members. So finding the fuzzy member process. So after the fuzzy member finding the predicting labels, that means the result prediction for the k nearest neighbor classification process. So these are process completed. Next we will getting the results from the finding k nearest neighbor classification. So after finally we will get the random space for the data classification process. So finally we will finding the confidence factor. So now we will get the result. Now we will get the result from the k nearest neighbor classification with the different numbers. Okay, and now the demo section is start for the efficient k nearest neighbor classifier. So first of all we choose the welcome.java. So choose the run file. So this is the home page for the efficient kNN classification with the different numbers of nearest neighbors. So this is the home page for the nearest neighbor classifier. So click to the home. So click to the process. So choosing the data set. So choose data set. So selecting the documents, go for NetBeans projects, selecting the nearest neighbor. So this is the our process. So choose the data set, choosing the viscalling long.txt. So next you go for move. So load data. So this is the data set loading for the training data set. So all data sets are inserted into the database table. Show the data. So the data set will be loaded into the database. So go. So this is the pre-processing. So the pre-processing successfully finished. Show the data. So this is the pre-processing data. Go for forward. So this is the finding the Euclidean distance. So this is the finding Euclidean distance information. So here it takes some time for getting the calculations. So here we are discussing about the k nearest neighbor classification. So the k nearest neighbor classification is nothing but the k nearest neighbor is one of the algorithms for a machine learning algorithm. So the k nearest neighbor is also for the super learning method. That means the supervised learning methods approach. So now we will getting the Euclidean distance. So next to go for the show. So this is the result informations. So next to go for the forward informations to be finding. Okay, and now the demo section is start for the efficient k nearest neighbor classifier. So first of all we choose the welcome.java. So choose the run file. So this is the homepage for the efficient kNN classification with the different numbers of nearest neighbors. So this is the homepage for the nearest neighbor classifier. So click to the home. So click to the process. So choosing the data set. So choose data set. So selecting the documents, go for NetBeans projects. Selecting the nearest neighbor. So this is the our process. So choose the data set. Choosing the viscalling long.txt. So next you go for move. So load data. So this is the data set loading for the training data set. So all data sets are inserted into the database table. Show the data. So the data set will be loaded into the database. So go. So this is the pre-processing. So the pre-processing successfully finished. Show the data. So this is the pre-processing data. Go for forward. So this is the finding the Euclidean distance. So this is the finding Euclidean distance information. So here it takes some time for getting the calculations. So here we are discussing about the k nearest neighbor classification. So the k nearest neighbor classification is nothing but the k nearest neighbor is one of the algorithms for a machine learning algorithm. So the k nearest neighbor is also for the super learning method. That means the supervised learning methods approach. So now we will getting the Euclidean distance. So next to go for the show. So this is the result informations. So next to go for the forward informations to be finding. Okay, so next we will come to the query vector information. So this is the clump thickness, uniform self size. So this is the attribute for our process. So this is the every attributes for the hybrid k next neighbor classifier process. So click to the submit. So the informations are stored on our database. So now we will getting the transformation data from the k nearest neighbor classifiers. So the relative information is calculated. The particular information is stored on our database. So now we will getting the finding the transformation data. So the transformation data using we will finding the hyper distance. That means the hyperplan distance. So this is the serial number. So this is the hyperplan distance for the every attributes. So this is the hyperplan distance for the every attribute. So here we are using the 173 attributes. That means the 173 hyperplan distance you will finding. So go for next move. So here we will finding the fuzzy member. So here what are the fuzzy members you will found to be analyzed. So show the fuzzy member. So this is the sample code number. So this is the cluster clump thickness. So this is the moduleness. So this is the class. So here all of the users are come to the second and fourth class. So this is the fuzzy member informations. So next we will the fuzzy member information base we will predicting the results. So next we will result prediction. So the prediction is completed. So what are the results we will predicted? So here we will choosing the class 4. So here the milestones 1 and the what are the informations are came to the class 4. So here this is the sample code numbers as the 1041801 1104449 1167139. So this is the sample number informations based we'll getting the classes informations. So go for next. So here we will finding the k nearest neighbor. So the random space on hybrid k nearest neighbor found. show the nearest neighbor. So this is the fourth class and the second class based the information will binding. So this is the bare nucle, this is a bland chromatin, so this is a normal nuclei. So these are some informations based we will finding the cluster informations. So move next. So this is the random space generation. So the random space generation is nothing but finding the random number of calculations. So the random space is calculated, show the random space. So this is the random space informations we will finding. So the random space informations are based on the k nearest neighbor classifiers for the RS HB kNN hybrid near classification process. So this is the F or hybrid k nearest neighbor classification. So this is the default value 6. So this is the default value 3. Okay, because the high values. So go for next. So here this is the final page for the finding the confidence vector. So this is the confidence vector informations to be classified. So this is the ID and this is the class. So the all class are came to the malignant and malignant and benzene. So the most informations are came from the malignant details. So the confidence vector informations are calculated for the malignant. So the most k nearest neighbor classification is attracted by the malignant information. Check the occurrence. So the benzene is 2, the malignant is 6, 4. So here we are easily finding the malignant information is occurring more data. So finding the result as the malignant is the nearest neighbor classifier. So here the efficient classifier for we will finding the different numbers as the 2 and 6. So here easily we'll get the malignant information. So now the demo is finished. Thanks for listening.